Welcome back. If you're searching for a camper motorhome that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with modern comfort and innovation, the Toyota Camper Motorhome 2025 is here to impress. Designed for long road trips, off-grid adventures, and everything in between, this motorhome is built to offer an exceptional travel experience. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, Toyota's latest offering is packed with everything you need for the perfect journey. The Toyota Camper Motorhome 2025 features a rugged yet stylish design, perfect for both urban roads and off-road expeditions. Its aerodynamic body is crafted with durable materials, ensuring longevity and efficiency. LED lighting, solar panels for sustainable energy, and a reinforced chassis make it both functional and visually appealing. The Spark roof rack system provides additional storage, making it ideal for adventure seekers carrying extra gear. Inside, Toyota has created a cozy yet spacious interior with premium materials. Comfortable seating, a convertible dining area, and a well-designed sleeping space with a high-quality memory foam mattress ensure a home-like experience. Thoughtfully designed storage compartments keep everything organized, while large panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, enhancing the overall ambiance. Technology is at the heart of the Toyota Camper Motorhome 2025, a high-definition infotainment system with navigation, entertainment options, and smartphone connectivity ensures a seamless driving experience. Smart climate control keeps the interior comfortable in any weather, while Toyota's advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system provide added peace of mind. Powering this camper motorhome is an efficient hybrid engine, delivering a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while all-terrain capabilities make it ideal for adventurous road trips. Toyota's engineering excellence guarantees a dependable vehicle ready for any journey. The Toyota Camper Motorhome 2025 is a game changer in the world of adventure vehicles. With its advanced technology, practical design, and Toyota's signature durability, it's the perfect motorhome for travelers seeking both comfort and capability. What are your thoughts on this incredible camper motorhome? Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest camper vans and road trip inspirations.